This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Fiesta gear knob, giving your interior a fresh new look. First, let's get prepared. You'll need your brand new gear knob and possibly a flathead screwdriver to help with the trim. Before you begin, always make sure your car is safely parked, the parking brake is fully engaged, and the gear selector is in neutral. This ensures a secure and easy working environment for you. Now, let's remove the old gear knob. Begin by gently lifting the gear gaiter, or boot, from its clips around the center console. This usually just pulls up. Next, firmly grasp the gear knob with both hands. It might be quite stiff if it's never been removed before, but simply turn it counterclockwise to unscrew it from the shifter shaft. Keep turning until it comes completely free, being mindful of a small spring for the reverse lockout mechanism. With the old knob off, it's time for the exciting part, installing your new one. First, ensure the small reverse lockout spring is properly seated on the shifter shaft. Then, carefully align your new gear knob with the threads on the shaft. Begin turning the new knob clockwise, screwing it down firmly. Make sure it's completely tightened and seated all the way to the bottom to ensure proper function of the reverse lockout and a secure feel. You're almost done. Once the new gear knob is securely in place, take a moment to test all your gear selections. Shift through first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and reverse to ensure everything feels smooth and the reverse lockout engages correctly. Finally, push the base of the gear gaiter back into its clips on the center console until it's snug. That's it. You've successfully upgraded your Ford Fiesta's interior. Enjoy the fresh new look and improved feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.